Dr. Jose Alan Castillo, who is a research forester at the Ecosystems Research and Development Bureau under the Department of Environment and Natural Resources. He is one of the pioneers in the study of carbon accounting and mapping of mangrove forests in the world. Spectral satellite data from the newly launched Sentinel satellites and GIS-based geostatistics for the estimation and mapping of carbon storage in biomass and soil in mangrove forests. His works are now being used in the country and elsewhere, contributing to the conservation and development of mangrove forests. Dr. Castillo holds a Doctor of Philosophy degree on Environmental Science and Remote Sensing from the University of Southern Queensland, Australia, and a bachelor's degree in forestry earned from the College of Forestry, UP Los Baños. Next, I'd like to call on Mr. Edwin C. Martin, Scientist 1. Mr. Edwin C. Martin is a Supervising Science Research Specialist from Crop Protection Division of Philippine Rice Research Institute. His fields of specialization are weed science, insect pest management, and pesticide bioefficacy. He finished his degree in agriculture, major in crop protection at CLSU in 1993, and MS Agronomy Weed Science, minor in entomology at UP Los Baños in 2003. Mr. Martin worked extensively on weedy rice research and has made significant contributions in the area. He proved that weedy rice is a very competitive weed against irrigated lowland rice. Aside from that, he was also able to increase the awareness of farmers in Iloilo about the effects on yield and cultural management of weedy by conducting on-farm trials, farmer interviews, farmers and extensionist training, and developing knowledge products in close collaboration with researchers and farmer partners from Erie, Field Rice, and West Biak. He showed that an integrated approach, which included the use of clean seeds, thorough land preparation, probing, and use of clean machine, were found to be effective in reducing weedy rice in the field. Congratulations, Mr. Martin.
May I request the family of Dr. Castillo to join Dr. Castillo for the photo. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, may we call on the family of Mr. Martin?
Andali po, sasama daw po si Dr. Sumarita. Representing the most.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Scientist 1. Dr. Jonas is presently a Chief Science Research Specialist at Field Rice. He obtained his Doctor of Philosophy in Agricultural Science at the Nagoya University, Japan in 2012, MS in Plant Breeding at UP Los Baños in 2004, and BS Agriculture, major in Plant Breeding and Genetics at the University of Southern Mindanao, Cabacan, North Cotabato in 1998. His researches on root plasticity have provided important insights to rice plant breeders in the breeding approaches towards developing drought-tolerant and resilient rice varieties, particularly in rain-fed ecosystem and of rice grown in alternate wetting and drying and aerobic rice systems. For his contribution to rice science, he leads the team that developed, registered, and released 3 rice varieties at the National Seed Industry Council. He was recognized as Outstanding Senior Researcher by Field Rice in 2016, Presidential Input Bayan as Regional Winner by the Civil Service Commission in 2018, and as Outstanding Scientific Paper Award by National Academy of Science and Technology, DOST, in July 2019. Congratulations.
For our next awardee, may I call on Dr. Ricardo Belad, Scientist 2 of the Philippine Rice Research Institute of the Department of Agriculture. Dr. Ricardo Belad is a graduate of BS in Agricultural Engineering of VISCA, Visayas State College of Agriculture, now Visayas State University in Baybay, Leyte. He took his MS in Agricultural Engineering at the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, and PhD in Energy Engineering at UP Diliman. In 2016, the Philippine Science of Agricultural Engineers awarded him as the most outstanding agricultural engineer, the Madamba Award, and in 2015, the Outstanding Agricultural Engineer in the field of environmental and waste management. He is one of the recipients of the 2019 Presidential Lingkod Bayan Award given by the Civil Service Commission. He works at the Philippine Rice Research Institute and leads one of its research programs, the Climate Resiliency for Enhanced Agricultural Trade and Efficiency for Rice, or Create Rice program. Congratulations, Dr. Belad.
We call on Director Domingo Samarita Domingo, Director for the DOST-Philippines, to introduce the scientists under the Natural Sciences discipline.
Dr. Silvia Pile is Chief of the Atomic Research Division of the Philippine Nuclear Research Institute. She specializes in radiation chemistry and processing of polymers. She has been the lead country and national project coordinator of International Atomic Energy Agency regional projects on subjects related to radiation, cross-linking, degradation and grafting of polymers for health, agricultural and industrial application. She is the current Philippine coordinator of the Forum for Nuclear Cooperation in Asia and Japan. She developed the multi-awarded, well-tested Karajinan plant grower promoter, which is already commercialized. The product is said to increase yield of rice by over 20%, while also making them more resistant to bacterial leaf blight and bacilliform virus infestations. She has been named as one among the 8 Philippine scientists for the 2018 Asian Scientist 100 list, which was given recognition by the Senate of the Philippines through Resolution number 141 dated May 22, 2019. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Silvia Belad, Scientist 3. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Director Domingo. Again, my congratulations to all the newly conferred and upgraded scientists. Let us now proceed to the oath-taking of the newly conferred scientists. May we ask Secretary Fortunato T. de la Peña and Chair Bala to remain on stage. May we also invite Scientific Career Council Technical Committee members, STC members Dr. Razal, STC members Academician Rasco, Dr. Mateo, Academician Olveda, and Dr. Panasige. And also Director Samarita Domingo to witness the oath-taking. May we call on the names of the new career scientists, Dr. Jose Alan A. Castillo, Mr. Edwin C. Martin, Dr. Jonathan M. Jonas, Mr. Sotero S. Resilva, and Dr. Risusa C. Beltran. Chairperson Bala will lead the reading of books.
Yung bago lang.
May sunod pa. Yung upgraded susunod din na hiwalay, di ba?
Pakitaas ang tanang kamay. Ako si
Ricardo
na hinirang sa katupulan bilang may taimtim na nilumpa, natutuparin ko ng buong husay at katapatan, sa abot ng aking kakayahan, ang masusing pag-aaral at pagtuklas ng mga bagay o kaalaman tungkol sa agham at teknolohiya. Upang maibahagi ko ang mga ito at pakinabangan ng kasalukuyang panahon at ng susunod pang henerasyon. Pagsisikapan ko na ang mga kasalukuyang kaalaman sa agham at teknolohiya ay lalo pang mapakunlad. Tutulong ako sa pagpapalaganap ng mga bagong tuklas na kaalaman upang mga ito ay matutuhang tanggapin, gamitin at isabuhay ng ating mga kababayan tungo sa pag-unlad ng bansang Pilipinas. Taimtim kong gagampanan ang iba pang mga tungkulin tungo sa pagpapaunlad ng agham at teknolohiya sa bansa. Itataguyod ko at ipagtatanggol ang saligang batas ng Pilipinas. Nananalig at tatalima ako rito. Susundin ko ang mga batas, kautosang legal, at mga dekretong ipinaiiral sa Republika ng Pilipinas. At kusa akong babalikatin ang pananagutang ito nang walang anumang pasubali o hangaring umiwas. Kasi hanawa ako ng Diyos. Congratulations.
Okay, we will have a photo ops.